Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete messages in Mobile Legends. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To delete your chat on Mobile Legend is easy. Remember that there is no delete chat button, or the players on Mobile Legends will not be able to delete their chats with other player. But if you want to delete the chat, then there is a trick you can follow. Simply go ahead and open up a chat with a friend, and if you want to delete the chat with a particular person, simply unfollow the person, tap on their profile icon and tap on the followed button, tap on OK, and that is the only trick. You'll be able to delete chats in Mobile Legends. Now the person will disappear from your friend list, and therefore the chats that you've made with the person will also be deleted automatically. That is the only way you'll be able to delete a chat that you've made with a friend on Mobile Legends. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.